at this though. Let me come closer. Bare pretty, isn't it? Like, it just makes it look even more a luxury. Hello, hi, hey, welcome to my channel. Welcome. So I'm excited today because it's another unboxing, well, another Ted Baker unboxing, obviously, because I feel like I'm a Ted Baker person now. Like, I don't know, they're just so pretty and cute. So basically, this one I didn't even buy for me. It's my mummy's birthday soon, well, on Tuesday. So that's why I'm filming on Sunday, so I can post next week Sunday. So she doesn't see it, just, she acts like she doesn't know the internet. She doesn't know how to use it, but I know that she somehow is watching my video somehow. I don't know. Anyway, thank you for stopping by. So I'm going to do an unboxing of a wash bag. So let's just get straight into it. So this time I actually bought, don't look at my my lockdown weight gain. So this time I got it from House of Fraser, and instantly from when I got it, the first unboxing I got from actual Ted Baker, I love the packaging. It was nice. I felt like I was getting her a gift. I was so happy. That's why I even did the unboxing. The second time I got it from ASOS, and I must say the way the packaging was a little bit slacking, but this time I got it from House of Fraser, and instantly from like touching it, I was like, I even had to open it a little bit to see what was on the inside, like blah blah blah, and I was like, I don't think they've given me the right thing, because they've actually put in a nice little something, but unboxing, I'll show you. I already opened the side because I was a little like, dude, did you give me what I ordered? I don't know. It feels a little bit fancy. So anyway, let's just unbox it. So it's in a little plain white bag. If you look at my first unboxing, you see how Ted Baker I like to go above and beyond on the packaging. But let's just open it. Ooh. This is just a wash bag and it was on sale. That's why I actually bought it from, what's it called, House of Fraser instead. I think it was £26, but on for sale for £26, but on the actual Ted Baker website it was £32. I was like, I love a bit of a bargain, so I'm gonna go with like House of Fraser in it, like damn. Anyway, this is what this little, that makes it look so much more expensive. Like, look at it. I love that compared to when I bought it from ASOS. The purse was in a nice packaging, but the little mini handbag was just like dashed in some plastic, and I was like, oh, okay, I'm not getting the same experience, but that's fine. I just wanted to buy, I just wanted the purse, I just wanted a bag anyway. But anywho, look at this though. Let me come closer. Bare pretty, isn't it? Like, it just makes it look even more a luxury. Like the accessory, the wash bag, it just makes you feel like you've done like a nice little bougie purchase. So let's open it. I don't want to make it too much because I'm gifting it, innit? Giving it to my mummy. I feel like I'm buying it for myself. I'm actually going to have to buy one for myself, because the thing is I have a makeup, what's it called? Makeup table, so everything just dashed about. But I feel like it'll be nice for when I go on holiday or something. So let's just open it. Wow, it's really big. I didn't expect it to be that big, so I'm quite happy that I bought this one and not the makeup bag, because the makeup bag is smaller than the wash bags. Ooh. Alright. I'm gonna open it. Ooh. Nice little plastic here, isn't it? I just want to be gentle because I feel like I might actually wrap it back up. So they just wrapped it in tissue paper as well. Ooh. Fancy. Oh gosh, I love this colour, and I know my mum will like it because I feel like we've got the same sort of like style. She always says to me, when I was younger I used to dress like you. Oh, this hey, this is so pretty. I'm gonna have to buy myself one. Look at it. Wow, look how pretty it is. This is so pretty. Alright, let me give you up close and personal. So you got the Ted Baker right in here. It's in like a baby pink. You got the bow. It's big for, it's a big wash bag. You have lots of space. Let's give it a 360-degree turn. And let's just open it here. Oh my god. I'm not gonna take out all the cushion, but there's a lot of room in here, a vast amount of room, and it just looks hella pretty. I need to buy one for myself. Oh yeah, let me go close, up close and personal again. So on the actual little thing here, actually has Ted Baker engraved in it, so this gives it more of a luxury look as well. So this is like the luxury feel on a budget. Do you know what I mean? Because maybe I'm still on a budget. Do you know what I mean? But this is so pretty. I know my mum will love it. She'll love it a lot. Oh, this is so pretty. I want one. I have to get myself one. I'm gonna get myself one. And I couldn't decide whether I wanted to get this shape or the one that's like this, the curvy shape, but I think I made a good decision getting this shape. I think maybe next time. Yeah, now I'm gonna buy myself this shape as well. Yeah, I'm gonna buy myself this shape as well, then that shape. I might get two. I might get another one if it's on sale, because if you go on a Ted Baker outlet site, they have a lot of wash bags usually, and they're usually on sale. I did a mistake once, those ones on sale for like £14. I was like, no, we'll go down to 12 because I saw it for 12. But then I think maybe like, no, we can't sell this for 12. And then it went to 14, and then it went back up to 17. And I was like, oh, I didn't buy it. And then they sold out, and I was like, no. Oh gosh, hopefully something fancy, something that will happen again, and I'll buy it, and I won't play games this time because I feel like I really missed out. But this is super pretty. I actually love Ted Baker. It's just really girly and nice, and I'm gonna have to buy myself one of these, even in the same colour. Me and Mum can be twinning. We're the same person. I came out of it, you know, we're one. Anyway, that's it. That's the end of my video. It's a little short video, little short unboxing. So thank you for stopping by. So until next time.